In this video, we'll walk through how to register a new device. From the main dashboard, go to the left-hand panel. Click on Manage Devices to expand the drop-down, then select Register Devices. Once redirected, click the plus icon at the top right corner of the page to start registering a new device. A box appears where you'll need to enter your device details. Start with the device name. Then choose the device type and add the corresponding model number. Next, enter the device ID. Now, choose the corresponding site tag. If you're unsure how to create one, check out the video titled How to Create Site Tags. Then, select the corresponding profile. And if you haven't created a profile yet, we have a separate video on how to create one. Next, set up your alert and alarm configuration for this device. Choose from your existing configurations or create a new one if needed. Enter the location of the device and add a short description to help identify it later. Once all details are filled in, click Save. Your device is now successfully registered.